In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email tasks into ClickUp. This is a handy feature, especially if you're on the go and need to quickly add tasks without accessing the ClickUp app directly. So let's get started on how you can seamlessly integrate your email and your task management in ClickUp. First, begin by navigating to your ClickUp task list. This is where you usually manage your projects, tasks, and any related activities. Once you're there, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the ellipsis menu. You'll find this icon typically in the upper right corner of your task list view. Clicking here will reveal additional options for managing your task list. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Send Email to Task. This will allow you to enable the unique email feature for your tasks. This feature is crucial because it creates a dedicated email address associated with your selected task list, allowing you to send emails directly into ClickUp as tasks. After doing that, you'll see a prompt where you'll need to click on Copy. This action copies the unique email address that ClickUp has generated for your task list. Think of this email address as a secret gateway to your ClickUp tasks from your email. With the address copied, you can now move on to your email client, where we'll continue our process. Head over to your email application. In this example, we'll use Gmail, but this feature works with any email provider. Now, click on Compose to start drafting a new email. This is where you'll input all the necessary details that you want to transform into a task in ClickUp. In the To field of your email, paste the email address you just copied from ClickUp. This ensures that once you send the email, it will funnel directly into the task list you selected earlier. Remember, this feature makes it incredibly easy to add tasks while you're working primarily from your inbox. Next, consider the subject line of your email. This will become the title of your task in ClickUp, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. The subject of your email should succinctly summarize what the task is about. Finally, once you've filled out the body of your email with any additional details, click on Send, and that's it. Your email is now on its way to being transformed into a task in ClickUp. This process is a great way to manage tasks on the go, ensure that no important task gets forgotten, and help streamline your workflow by keeping your inbox and your task list connected. I hope you find this ClickUp feature as helpful as I do. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.